Hi, this is Mithun from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to introduce a new product that Tenet has come up with. This is the LCD booster pack for MSP430 launchpad. Using this connector, we can mount on MSP launchpad. This is the expansion connector for connecting the LCD. You can connect 16x2 LCD as well as 20x4 LCD. For programming LCD, 4-bit LCD mode required. So totally 6 pins needed. Remaining pins we can use for some other applications. These are the 2 pins where we can provide an external supply for LCD, or else we can just mount this on the USB supply available on the launchpad. Now I am going to connect this. This is a very small breakout, so we can save the space if you are designing any application or project. Now I am going to connect the LCD on this breakout. And I am going to power this using USB cable. For this breakout, I already dumped a code on the launchpad, so you can see the display on the LCD. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy this product or if you have any queries regarding this project, you can visit our website www.tenettech.com or leave us a mail at info@tenettech.com. Thank you.